So hi friends, welcome back to Cyclone TV India. Today morning I have given a latest update on the depression BOB02 that has formed over Bay of Bengal and is expected to make landfall at tomorrow morning in Andhra Pradesh. This one is another update, and this is the national bulletin that has been published by Indian Meteorological Department at today 1:30 p.m. IST. Depression over West Central Bay of Bengal intensified into a deep depression. The depression over West Central Bay of Bengal moved west-northwestwards with a speed of 6 km during past 6 hours, intensified into a deep depression and lay centered at 11:30 IST of 12th October 2020 near latitude 15.9 degree north and longitude 84.8 degree east, about 250 km south-southeast of Visakhapatnam, 290 km east-southeast of Kakinada in Andhra Pradesh, and 330 km east-southeast of Narsapur in Andhra Pradesh. It is very likely to move west-northwestwards and cross North Andhra Pradesh coast between Narsapur and Visakhapatnam close to Kakinada and during the early morning of 13th October. And the forecast track and intensity you can see. So the warnings that are going to be there: rainfall warning on 12th October, light to moderate rainfall at most places with heavy to very heavy falls at a few places, and extremely heavy rainfall means more than 20 cm per day at isolated places would occur over east and west Godavari, Visakhapatnam, Vizianagaram and Srikakulam districts of north coastal Andhra Pradesh and Yanam. Heavy to very heavy falls at isolated places over Ganjam, Gajapati, Koraput, Rayagada, Navrangpur, Malkangiri, Khurda and Puri districts of South Odisha, Krishna district of South Coastal Andhra Pradesh, Kurnool district of Rayalaseema, Telangana, South Konkan and Goa, South Madhya Maharashtra, Marathwada, Karnataka and North Kerala, and heavy rainfall at isolated places over South Chhattisgarh. Tomorrow, light to moderate rainfall at most places with heavy to very heavy falls at a few places, and extremely heavy rainfall which is 20 cm per day, more than 20 cm per day at isolated places would occur over Telangana. Heavy to very heavy falls at isolated places over Karnataka, Rayalaseema, South Konkan and Goa, Madhya Maharashtra and Marathwada, and heavy falls at isolated places over North Coastal Andhra Pradesh, South Odisha and Vidarbha. And on 14th October 2020, light to moderate rainfall at most places with heavy to very heavy falls at a few places, and extremely heavy rainfall which is more than 20 cm per day at isolated places would occur over North Madhya Maharashtra. Heavy to very heavy falls at isolated places over Konkan and Goa, South Madhya Maharashtra and Marathwada, and heavy falls at isolated places over coastal and south interior Karnataka. So wind warnings that are placed on 12th October means today. Squally wind speed reaching 50 to 60 km, gusting to 70 km is prevailing over west central and adjoining southwest Bay of Bengal and along and off South Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Puducherry coasts, and 40 to 50 km gusting to 60 km is also prevailing over northwest Bay of Bengal and North Odisha coast. On tomorrow means 13th October, squally wind speed would increase, becoming 55 to 65 km, gusting to 75 km over west central Bay of Bengal and along and off Andhra Pradesh coast, and 50 to 60 km gusting over 70 km over adjoining northwest Bay of Bengal, southwest Bay of Bengal and along and off Odisha, Tamil Nadu and Puducherry coasts from the evening of 12th October 2020 till the noon of 13th October. Squally wind speeds reaching 45 to 55 km gusting to 65 km are also likely to prevail over Gulf of Mannar on 12th and 13th October 2020. Sea condition will be rough to very rough over west central and adjoining northwest Bay of Bengal, southwest Bay of Bengal and along and off Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Puducherry coasts till 13th October evening, and over Gulf of Mannar during 12th to 13th October 2020. Fishermen warning: fishermen are advised not to venture into west central, northwest and southwest Bay of Bengal and along and off Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Tamil Nadu and Puducherry coasts till 13th October evening, and over Gulf of Mannar during the 12th to 13th October 2020. Damage expected over east and west Godavari, Visakhapatnam, Vizianagaram and Srikakulam districts of north coastal Andhra Pradesh and Yanam. Damage to thatched houses, minor damage to power and communication lines due to breaking of branches, damage to loose or unsecured structures, some breaches in Kacha Road due to heavy rainfall, some damage to paddy crops, banana, papaya trees and orchards, and drumstick trees, and horticultural crops, minor damage to coastal agriculture due to salt spray, minor damage to Kacha embankments. So the next bulletin will be issued at today 8:30 p.m. 12th October 2020. So until then, so you can see where the deep depression is currently located in 15.9 degree north latitude and 84.8 degrees longitude. And this is the observed and forecast track along with cone of uncertainty of deep depression over Bay of Bengal based on 6 UTC of 12th October 2020. We have shown you it one time, but we are showing it again. And this is the one observed and forecast track along with quadrant wind distribution of deep depression over Bay of Bengal based on 6 UTC of 12th October 2020.